Then all of you?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Check. Okay. So please try to solve this question and let me know that how to draw the graph and like draw the graph of it. It would be easy. Everything is given. So use these values to draw the graph. So speed will be on the y-axis, time will be on the x-axis. And after that, you have to calculate the acceleration and the distance traveled by the car in 50 seconds. Please note it and let me know, Joe.
Where do we put the answer in the chat box?
Could you please repeat, Ramesh?
Where do we put the answers in the chat box?
Yes, for the acceleration and the distance traveled. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Because sometimes the question might come that draw a graph given basically they will give you the values and you have to basically draw the graph along with the finding the acceleration.
Okay.
Okay, Ramesh. Bit fast, everyone. Gauri, Alina. Answer, Bichu. Gauri, Hafsa, and Alif. Answer. Okay, got the answer from Gauri. Okay, Gauri. Hafsa and Alif, fast, Bichu.
So it's not letting me send it.
Could you please repeat, Hafsa?
It's not letting me send it. I sent it, but then I don't know.
Acha. Okay, no worries. Just let me know. Okay. Alif, are you sending answer? No reply. I don't know what is going on with Alif. Alif, you don't respond in the class, not like you don't give the answers in the class. That's not the way of basically sitting in the class. It's not like you're just listening to me. You have to be a part of this class. Okay. So see this thing, yeah, that's right. So Hafsa, please check out your answer. Is this correct? Are you getting the same answer which I have, which is written in front of you? Acceleration would be
Yes,
0.5
yes.
meter per second square, and the distance traveled by the body would be 875 meter, as it is a trapezium. So trapezium formula is a plus b, the parallel side into height by 2. Parallel side, that is 5. Okay. And another second side is basically your 30, 0 to 30. And divide into height means this is the height of the trapezium. That's mean it would be 50. Is this clear to all of you? Please do let me know, everyone.
Yes, sir, clear.
Yeah.
That's great. Please try to solve this
Yes.
question and let me know the answer. Fast. Time is in hour. Here time is in hour. Okay. Time is in hour. First question is already in front of you.
So can you scroll a bit because the digits are not visible?
Yes, Gauri, are you saying something?
Yes, sir. So can you scroll a bit?
Gauri, please let me know in the chat. Actually, your voice is breaking a lot. Please let me know in the chat. Gauri, his answer, like whatever you are saying,
Yes,
please let
sir.
me know in the chat. Okay, I got a first message from Ramesh. Okay, Ramesh, let's check it out whether you're right or not. Fast, what's your answer, Gauri, Rami, Hafsa, and Alif?
So it's not sending yet. Even the last one.
Okay. Okay, no worries, Hafsa. You can just verify the answer from the chat or from the screen. Okay, if it's not, if you're not able to send it in the chat. Okay, I got the answer from Gauri. Okay, that's right. So as you can see, the question is saying that what is the velocity of the body at point C? So at point C, that means it is basically parallel to the time axis. That means there is a constant velocity. So after achieving the maximum velocity, that's 40. So the point C is referring to 40 kilometer per hour. That means no need to worry if you have converted it, that's well and good as well. Chicken, no need to worry about it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now the question is saying that what is the acceleration between the A and B? So as you can see, the acceleration is increasing. That means which we have to convert, we have to basically calculate it. So initial velocity is 20, final velocity is 40. So and time it would be 3 minus 0 because initially the body has started from 20 meter per second at time 0 hour. So that's why it would be 40 minus 20 upon 3. It's an hour. So it would be 6.67 kilometer per hour square. So don't worry about it. Ramesh, okay? Is this clear with you?
No, the thing was right.
Ramesh, you have basically written
No, for the second
in
one,
terms of this, so
yeah, for the
per
second
second.
one, I forgot it
That's
was
wrong.
kilometer by hour.
Yeah, it's what kilometer per hour. Okay. Rafsa, is this correct for you?
Yes, sir.
Hafsa? ठीक है. ठीक है. And the acceleration between the B and C is 0 because it is parallel to the time axis. Is this clear to you or not? But please do let me know. Alif, Gauri, Ramiz, and
Clear,
Hafsa.
sir.
Sure, that's great. Okay. So similar kind of questions would be there in your school exams. So you have to find it out in such manner. See this thing, this is a way of writing the exam solutions. Okay, it's not like randomly doing any calculations. You should be like, you should make a rough work and apart from okay, or maybe at the back page, but the answer should be very clear so that the teacher does not have any problem, or you can highlight the answer using any pen like this, making the underline so that it's visible to anyone who is reading your or basically reviewing your paper. Okay? Please try to solve this question. Let me know the graph or let me know the answer for it. What do you say about the motion of a body if its displacement graph is a straight line? In the chat, answer me in the chat. And if the velocity time graph is a straight line. Okay, Ramiz. Okay, let's see. Gauri, okay. What about Hafsa? Answer. Alif, answer. Answer Rami, basically Hafsa and Rami, sorry, Alif.
So it's not sending yet.
Okay, okay, ठीक है. So you can just verify it. Okay, no worries. So basically, what do you say if the motion of the motion of a body, if its a displacement time graph is a straight line? So if it is saying straight line, that means the graph would be this, not this. It would say, if it's saying that, it would say it's parallel. If the question wants to be wants you to ask something, so it should say that it is parallel. If it is straight line, that means it's like this. Okay, so do not assume it's a parallel line. So if bacho, if the value of the body, if the motion of the body and its displacement is a straight line, so what would happen basically for the A part, its displacement time graph, so that means uniform speed is there. Okay, and B part would be velocity time graph is a straight line, that it means that it is a uniform acceleration. Is this clear, all of you? Afsa, is this your answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone. So with this, our topic, the graphs is completed. So such type of questions would be there. I think I have given some, like, did you get the homework in the last week? Any topic, any question worksheet? Hafsa Gauri, Al Ramiz Alif. Yes, tell me, Bachchan, did you get the any questions related to the graph in the last class? Just let me check. Just give me a second. Okay, so yeah, you must have got the questions, but it seems like nobody has done the homework till now. Okay, so please do it after this class, everyone. Okay, now let's do the last topic of this chapter, that is uniform circular motion. Now let me tell you what is uniform circular motion. Okay. So uniform circular motion is, suppose that when the body is moving in a circumference of a circle. Okay. So just like suppose the earth is revolving around the sun, right? And basically hand of the tip of clock, right? So such case is called the circular motion. Okay. Now, what do you mean by uniform? So in that case, let me explain it to you. So let's take an example. Suppose, like, you must have seen, suppose you have a stone and you have basically attached to the string. Okay. Now you're basically whirling that stone in a circular manner. What would happen basically at every point? This is the stone, this is the stone, this is the stone, right? So you are like whirling like this, basically making the circle like this. Okay, everyone. Now see this thing, at every point, the direction of the stone is different, isn't it? Even though you are basically moving the stone with a constant speed. So at every point, isn't it different? If you basically take this thing, it would be like this, isn't it, everyone? It would be like this, isn't it? So every point, it's basically different. In the 10th standard, you will study the tangent, and basically tangent is used to give the direction of the circular surfaces. So right now it's not a part of the syllabus. We're just discussing it as a whole. Okay, I'm not giving you the idea about the tangent right now because that's not a part. So at every point, see this thing. So according to the acceleration, if the body is accelerated, that means the two conditions should be there. First of all, velocity should be changing. So change of velocity can be done in two manners, either magnitude or direction. Here, what is happening? Can anybody tell me?
What, sir?
Yes, Bajot, what is happening? Magnitude is changing or direction is changing?
Magnitude is changing.
Yes, Bajot, what is happening? Magnitude is changing or direction is changing? Yes, Bajot, what is happening? Magnitude is changing or direction is changing?
Direction.
Direction.
Direction. Because I've said magnitude is already fixed. That means it's constant speed. Only the direction is changing. So direction is changing. So according to acceleration, change in velocity. If the change in velocity is there, that means acceleration will be there. So that's why this is also the accelerated motion. Okay, everyone. If somebody says that even the uniform velocity, if even the body is moving with a uniform speed, why it is a uniformly accelerated motion? You will say that, sir or ma'am, okay, according to the definition of acceleration, change in velocity leads to the acceleration. Here, the change in velocity is done the matter of direction change, and hence that it is called the accelerated motion. Is this all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Check. Now let's do. Yeah. Now let's do it. Check. When a body circular path with uniform speed. Okay. Motion is called uniform circular motion. Okay. Is this clear, all of you?
Yeah.
That's great. Now let's talk about the next part. What is basically why has happened? So when a body, just a second, let me just paste the picture over here. As you can see the picture. So at every point, the direction of the stone is getting changed. So that's why when a body moves along a circular path, then its direction of motion keeps changes continuously. Okay. Okay. So since velocity changes due to continuous change in direction, ठीक है? Therefore, motion along path accelerated. Is this clear, all of you? That's the reason behind the it is said to be the accelerated motion. Okay.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? Motion in a circle constant speed is an example of okay. Is this clear, all of you?
Yeah.
Next thing is basically to move the ball. Okay, so obviously everyone, to change the direction, then there should be some force, yes or no? Obviously, without applying any external force or without the involvement of force, direction cannot be changing, cannot be changed, yes or no? Hello? Yes or no? So that is called the your centripetal force. Okay. So that's very important. The force which is needed make an object travel circular path. इसको थोड़ा extend कर देते हैं. Sure. Circular path is called centripetal force. Okay. So this force will always act when some sort of circular motion is there. Okay. Clear, bachcho? And the direction of this force is basically towards the center. Okay. So if the force is acting, so it will always be towards the center. Please keep this thing in mind that this force will act towards the center always. Is this clear to all of you or not? Afsa, Ramiz, Alif, and Gauri, and yeah, Gauri. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's great. Okay. So okay, one only just a simple